Okay, so I'm back and it's still damp because I don't like blow drying my hair too much. Yeah. But it's darker than I wanted. Let's begin. So my idea is, like, I've had my hair a solid color for a very long time, and I don't want to do anything like terribly drastic, but then I thought, why don't we take like this much of the ends and dye it purple? So we're gonna do it. Let's get started. This is in no way sponsored, but I have a bunch of stuff. I don't think I have gloves though. Oh god. What have I done? This is a mistake. Alright, so I'm going to begin by just sectioning off some hair. Not like methodical sectioning, just sectioning. Cool, cool. Okay, cool. This is alright. I even got like a nice little cap. Say a prayer for my hair and my sanity. Oh, it doesn't even get the, like, Dr. Frankenfurter style. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Ah! I bleached my hair once, and that was with my friend's help. So, here we go. Okay, wearing the enclosed gloves, opening the bleach packet. Avoiding inhalation of the fumes. By the way, the reason I'm playing classical music is because I won't get copyright problems, which, you know, is something we all hate. I'm now adding the cream developer. This is really happening now. There we go. Mix and blend until smooth and creamy. Smells fucking awful. Next section. At this point, we've moved on to the ratchet part, where I just kind of, okay. And now we wait. Alright, so we're coming down to almost the end of it. I've done, this is the second bleaching, because I left the top on for a little bit of less time. Sorry, hair and face. So I could get more of a ombre effect. So the bottom is getting bleached longer than the mid section, I guess you could call it, because not really a top, it's the mid. I am sweating like crazy. It is so humid. My hair is getting frizzier and frizzier by the second, and I don't know if you can quite see it as well as I can. When I come back, bleach will be washed out, and I'm going to then start with the purple, and we're gonna go from there. So, see you guys soon. So this is how lighten it's gotten. Alright, so I have Arctic Fox and Periwinkle. I got this because it's a semi-permanent, and it's cruelty-free and vegan, so best of both worlds. It smells kind of like grapes, I'm not gonna lie. Actually, I'm gonna use my other brush. So I'm just gonna... Ooh, yes, peach, yes! Fuck it. Don't cringe at me. I know what I'm doing. Oh Lord. I feel like this can go like either really well or just really bad. There's no in between. And my luck is it's gonna be really bad. So it's next day. I'm so mad. My hair is dry. Like, it hardly took. There's like some strands of like weirdish blue, but it just looks, I don't know. This is gross. This isn't even, what is this? This isn't anything. It's just gross. Ah. No. Oh no, I hate it. Okay, so ran to the drugstore this morning because I'm not walking around with my hair looking like shit. And I got two things. This is for the aftercare. It's a keratin protein by, I don't remember the name. But it really works great. They have another one that's argan oil, and oh, it's just so lovely. And then I got, yeah, just cringe at me in my emo-ness. Yeah, it was the only like purple that they had because I went to a drugstore, not a beauty supply store, because I'm lazy and I'm pretty sure they're closed because it's July 4th. Jenna Marbles would say, I know all you YouTubers out there are cringing at me. Go ahead. I signed myself up for this. Alright. Gonna whisk up the last of the purple and just really saturate my ends, really get them all the purple, my little heart desires. Just really scoop up all that purple and just plop it directly on my ends. And now I'm gonna wait for about, we're gonna wait for an hour. Why? Because I hate myself, and yeah. So I'm back, and it's still damp, because I don't like blow drying my hair too much. I think it'll fade out really nice, I'm hoping. But, you know, it's been a long process. My hair is very, very tired of my bullshit. But, oh, that's not right at all. Hold on. I don't don't need. I'm trying to like get my like little center chunk so I can cut my bangs, but I keep grabbing like not all of it. This is really hard to do. Hold on, because I'm gonna cut myself some beautiful bangs and they're gonna be stylish. If I can just, you know, get my hair to actually, you know, cooperate with me, because my hair does not like doing that. Because these are my bangs right now. These are not bangs, these are, yep. So we're just gonna, oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh God, this is always so scary. Okay. Now I have to match it. Okay, hold on. The angle is like that, so maybe I can just go upward. Nope. I'm like trying to like see through my hair. This is what it looks like right now. So I'm just gonna, this is like so incredibly hard. And I know everyone's cringing at me right now. But I think I got it. Actually, I think I want to go a little bit shorter. Yes! Yes! We did it, beach! We fucking did it! I'm so pumped. Oh yeah! Hell yeah, I got bangs! I haven't had bangs in so long. So anyways, I'm gonna go back to blow drying it and hope that I can get it all pretty much dry.